Alright, so this is a quick little tutorial on how to graph your data easily. So what you do is you click on the data you want. You can have an extra row in here or not. The key is to set up your data in a rectangle like this with years across the top and countries down the side. Highlight the whole rectangle as I have done here. Make sure this cell right here in the upper left hand corner is empty. And then all you have to do is go up to Insert and go to the charts and pick a line chart right here like this. You create a basic line. I find it easiest to then click here and move the chart to its own sheet. And we'll call this raw data. And we now have a chart like this. You'll notice, however, some of the problems with by just graphing so quickly, it demonstrates that is not a good way to examine your data or evaluate it. But for now, it shows you how to graph the data. So we'll go back, do it one more time. You highlight the data here like this. You insert a line, and you have your chart right away. You can then manipulate things, move this somewhere else, format it and put it down at the bottom, and other things like that. Okay, that's it for graphing for now, for getting the graphs.